Good afternoon, guys. I just wanted to recap the day today. Today is the FOMC day, so we stopped really trading right around 11 o'clock. The first trade came in right here at 9:40. I usually don't take trades before 9:40. This trade came in here. It was gold, green, candle, blue. Let me pause this for a second. Okay, we're back. I just wanted to give ourselves some power. Again, I was saying today's FOMC day, so really, I recommend not trading really at all, but you could get a couple hours up till 11 o'clock to trade, so why not? First trade came in here at 9:40 right here, but we had some resistance here, so I took this one here. And we easily got our 7 ticks. Remember, if it's not marked, it means 7. This one is our traditional scalp gold, green, candle, blue, 7 ticks. Okay. This next trade here, we only took it for 5 because the S1 here I knew would be resistance. See, it was resistance here. So I only took it for 5. We actually could have got 7, but I don't like fooling around with any type of resistance. This here, and what this means here is a reversal. Reversal here because this gave us a opportunity to have a reversal because it was the same. It was like a double top, if you will. And you also have to be looking at the 1 minute to be seeing if we're bouncing off this. So you have to be looking at another chart, which I'm not bringing up right now. But we only managed to get 3 ticks out of it anyways. Again, gold, green, candle, blue. We got our 7. And a lot of people say, why not 7? Why didn't you go to, 10? Because the back testing that we've done and all the work that we've done for 3 years and then trading it for so many months in sim and now in live, it's what you need to do. And also remember, it's not the amount of ticks on the trade that matters, it's the contracts. And I'm going to explain it to you at the end. I can explain to you right now. Would you rather have one trade with 100 contracts and go for 10 ticks, or go for 50 trades at one contract and go for 5 ticks? And the answer is right there. What is the variable? The variable is the contracts. We took this one for 4 because again we were fooling around with the low. It went down a lot more than that, but we took our 4. This gave us an opportunity to take another low, gold, green, candle, blue. The nipple was right below the current low. Gave us permission to take it for 7. Okay? And remember, the formula is so simple. Gold, green, candle, blue. I did not take this one here. There was something on the 1 minute that I didn't like. This one here shows me that this was a reversal that I was able to take, but you'd have to be looking at the 1 minute. It went down 8. If it went down 2 more, we would hit our target, bounced up, and we got 4. That's what that means. It went to 8, and then we got our 4, because that's our strategy. This gave us another opportunity of a reversal, and basically a reversal is just the opposite. Candle, blue, green, gold. So it's candle, blue, green, gold, and we got 10 out of it. And here's the gold, green, candle, blue, but I did not like it because we had a little bit of resistance here, but I took this one here, and we were successful here. We didn't have any error trades or losing trades today, so we took that one. Gold, green, candle, blue here again for 7. We took this one here for 5 because, again, we were bouncing up towards this S1, so I only took it for 5, although we did get 7 out of it, or 8, or maybe even 10 out of it. Yeah, we got 10 out of it. This one I really liked a lot because we were above resistance when we took the trade. Again, gold, green, candle, blue. This is coming down. This is a scalp trade. Scalp trade is when the candle breaks and the gold and green are breaking. So it's gold, green on the bottom, on top the candle's breaking. If this blue was up here, I wouldn't have taken it. The lower the triple exponential moving average is, which is this blue line is, the better off the trade is. We took this trade here, although it was not a gold green candle blue, it was a reversal coming off of this one, but I did not like it because of this resistance. I wanted to break this resistance, so I took it on the next one. Either one would have worked, and we took that one for 6. And these are the great trades right here. I knew we were going to end up going to some kind of markers, and we did. We took this one here, and we got our 7. Now, this is not a gold green candle blue, but what this is the blue is scalping before gold green candle blue. What I mean by that, if you go back and look, you have to anticipate the trade. If that next candle goes up, will the blue be scalping into it? Yes, but it's not gold green candle blue. So it's a blue scalp trade. We usually take those for 7. Okay, this one here, I took it for 13 ticks, not our traditional 7, because I took it to the open, where I figured we'd get some resistance. And what I mean by the open is this blue line here is the open. This really shouldn't say. This should say, okay, this is the high of the day. So get rid of that. Okay, that's the high of the day. We took that for 17. Again, we took this again here. This is getting a little bit of greed here because we only took this for 4 ticks. Because I always stay away from the high about 3 ticks. We had a reversal play here, and it went down 9, and we got 6 out of it. One more tick, we would have got the 10, but our strategy, that's what happens. If you didn't have that strategy built in there and you went to 9, this could have curled up and made a new high. And so you don't want to leave ticks on the table or points on the table or cash on the table. This met our parameters. We were below the open, gold, green, candle, blue, but there was a little bit of congestion before it. And also it was right around 11 o'clock, and I don't like trading when the FOMC is having the reading. I did take this last trade here. I took it for 6 ticks. EOD is the end of the day because of the FOMC. And trades, 21 trades for 136 ticks. Wins 21, errors 0, losses 0. What's the difference between errors and losses? Errors is you took a trade, but it wasn't a valid trade. So I call it an error. Losses is a valid trade, but it was a loss. And so I come up with 1360. If you look at the dome, it's 1400. Okay, so why isn't it 1360? There might have been a little bit of slippage, or maybe I took this one instead of for 4, maybe I took it for 6. I'm not completely 100% on that. But that's the trading day today, guys. With 10 contracts, you would have made 13,600. All right. Stay away from trading. FOMC starts in a little while, and have a good day.